All right, 1964 356 C Coupe. This is a numbers matching car. We have the COA. Beautiful paint, nice gaps. Engine was rebuilt by Wicky Lawrie at Renntag here in Nashville, Tennessee. Wicky's well known for his good work, quality work. And this car drives, starts, and feels like a car that was taken care of, redone by a professional. I bought this car out of an estate a few years ago, fresh out of Wicky's shop. Sold it to a surgeon who shipped it to a storage shed and never used it. So the engine is still real fresh. It's really a quick driving car. Suspension's very tight. Transmission shifts tight. Motor sounds great. Get you some shots of some of these gaps. You can see they're fairly even. We'll put it up on the lift and show you the pans. All of this rolled sheet metal is just that, rolled sheet metal, not full of putty, not full of Bondo. Door gaps are fairly even, not perfect, but fairly even. Good gap here. All the chrome is good. Little bit of pitting, little bit of pitting. I don't think this is a restored car, but just a refurbished car, and a good one at that. All the seals are in good condition. A little bit of dry rotting going on here, just a little bit. Paint is good. Actually, we have, not everything's fresh. We have some pitting going here. These are in nice shape. Rubbers are in good shape. This deck lid sits just a touch high over here. Probably just an adjustment. You can see that versus this side. This side's tight and that one's up a bit. So I would say that hood or deck lid could use a little adjustment to help that gap. Okay, a little bit of cracking here, just a touch though. It's not bad, nothing that needs to be replaced. These are in nice shape. Door gap here is in good shape. A little cracking here on the edges of this one, on the corners. Evidently the original windshield. We've got the sticker on the other side that shows you how to shift the transmission, what the gearing is from the factory. One, two, three, four. Interior's in great shape. Good correct carpet. German weave carpet. Good seats. Nice headliner. All the gauges are in good condition. Correct numbers, correct color. All right, we will put it up on the air. And then we should, if the weather stays away, we should be able to do a nice driving video. All right, here we are at eye level on the 64 356. Nice clean seal beams, grille, bumperettes, bumpers, nice gap And the hood, straight body panels, good paint, how straight the doors are. Nice. Yep, good gaps, good door gaps. A little bit of, no, it's all right. That's good. Wheels are in good shape. Tires are fresh, nice Michelins. Good hood gap. Bumperettes are decent, a little pitting going on, just a little bit. Again, not a restored car, just a nice refurbished driver, real high grade driver. Decent door gaps again. Straight down the side. Good wheel and chrome. No rust, if you could see up there, if we can get the light. There it is, yeah. Clean, 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 clean. Again, not full of putty. Straight sides, good gaps. You can create your own reality about the tail still being left in there, the pipe. All right, we'll go ahead and put it up in the air and show you that undercarriage. Oh, I know what I was talking about. My phone rang and I was talking about this exhaust pipe. It must be wedged in there. Give you something to do on a Saturday morning is work your pipe out. Nice exhaust on it. All right, well, here we are under that brand new, beautiful, rebuilt engine. Wicky Lawrie, Renntag, Nashville, Tennessee. Those that are familiar with Wicky know he does spectacular work. Very conscientious. New brake lines everywhere, front and back. Solid car. Nice pans. Jack points are good. You're not going to win a concourse from this underside, but you got a good high integrity car. Longitudinals are good. Brake lines, shocks, stabilizer bars new, all the bushings are new. Battery tray's good, not rusty. All right, we'll get this girl down and take a drive. This C Coupe was prepared and sorted by